Click on the link below to get price. The Dri Eaz 1200 Commercial Dehumidifier is an outstanding choice for anyone needing powerful moisture control in a portable package. Designed specifically for industrial use, this dehumidifier excels in both performance and durability. Right out of the box, the robust construction is evident. The blue exterior not only looks appealing but is also designed to withstand tough working conditions. One of the standout features of the Dri Eaz 1200 is its impressive moisture removal capacity. With the ability to extract up to 15 gallons of water per day, it effectively combats moisture in spaces up to 2,000 square feet. This makes it an excellent choice for flood restoration, construction drying, and even for use in basements or crawl spaces. The built-in pump enhances its efficiency by allowing the unit to continuously drain water through a hose, eliminating the need for manual emptying. This feature is particularly beneficial for prolonged operation, ensuring that it can run seamlessly during extensive drying jobs. Portability is another significant advantage. Weighing in at just over 35 pounds, the unit is surprisingly lightweight for its capabilities. It features ergonomic handles and sturdy wheels, making it easy to move from one location to another. Whether you're maneuvering it across a job site or storing it in a workshop, its compact design ensures it won't take up excessive space. In terms of usability, the intuitive control panel allows for easy operation. Users can adjust humidity settings and monitor performance with ease. The durable construction also means that it can withstand the rigors of daily use without showing signs of wear. Overall, the Dri Eaz 1200 Commercial Dehumidifier is a reliable, high-performing solution for anyone in need of effective moisture control. Its combination of powerful performance, portability, and durability makes it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and homeowners alike.